Hello and welcome to the BacDive Quick Start tutorial. In this video, I want to give you a short overview on how to use the basic functions of BacDive. BacDive collects bacterial and archaeal metadata and phenotypic information on a strain level, and it is the worldwide largest database for standardized prokaryotic information. You can find the website at bacdive.dsmz.de, and this is what the main page looks like. You can start your search for data right here. When you click into the search field, you can see some simple search examples. If you are looking for information on a specific strain, you can search for their BacDive ID, culture collection number, or sequence accession number. And I'm going to use one of the examples here, and as you can see, it leads me straight to the strain page. Searches by taxonomy, like this one for the genus Myroides, will lead you to a results page, which is a list of all the available strains for your query, with some basic information on them. For each species, the type strain is listed first, and you can recognize it by the green check mark. On each strain page, there is an info box at the top with some basic information. Here you can find the BacDive ID, the information whether this is the type strain of the species, the strain designation and different culture collection numbers of the strain, its history, and its NCBI taxonomy identifier. Then comes a short summary sentence and some keywords describing the strain, and below that you can find the detailed information on the strain in different thematic sections, like name and taxonomic classification, morphology, culture and growth conditions, and so on. These different sections can be collapsed and expanded separately or all at once. One thing that is important to keep in mind is that on a strain page, only data fields for which information is available are displayed. When fields or whole sections are empty, they are not shown. Non-curated data like metabolism information that was taken from API test strips or sequence accessions that were automatically matched to the strain are marked by asterisks. The AI icon indicates traits that were predicted for the strain based on its genome by artificial intelligence models that were trained using curated data from BacDive. Both non-curated and predicted data can be hidden from view by checking this box. All the genome-based predictions can also be found at the bottom of the page in their own section. Each data field in BacDive is linked with a reference that tells you where the information comes from. You can click on it or find all the references at the very bottom of the page. If you find an error in the database, you can easily report it by clicking on the pen on paper icon that turns up when you hover over the field. And this will lead you to a short report form that is specific to the field you clicked on. On the right side of each page, you can find a navigation bar with links to other strains of the same species, links between the different sections of the strain page you're currently viewing, and also with external links to entries in other databases for the same species. If you want to cite information that you found on BacDive, you can find the strain's unique DOI and the DOI of the latest BacDive paper here. And there's also an archive page where you can find past versions of the strain data. And that's it for the quick start tutorial on the basic use of BacDive. If you want to learn more about the advanced functions, have a look at the other tutorials in this video series. See you then, bye!